Dear students, welcome to my online class. I am Chittoranjan Roy, Assistant Teacher English, Dinajpur Jilla School. So today I will take a class on transformation. Actually, the class will be on the transformation of different kinds of sentences. According to structure, sentences are of three kinds: simple sentence, complex sentence and compound sentence. Simple, complex and compound sentence. Simple, complex and compound sentences. At first, we have to know how to identify the different kinds of sentences. A simple sentence one subject, one finite verb. Example: because of his illness he could not go to school. The one subject and one finite verb. So, seeing this structure, we can say that this is a simple sentence. Complex sentence, two clauses. Main clause, and subordinate clause. Subordinate clause. The conjunction, conjunctions: since, as, when, though, although, if, till, until, etc. So, if we see the two clauses and these conjunctions in a sentence, then it is a complex sentence. Compound sentence. Compound sentence. Here two clauses and conjunctions are and, but, or, nor, either ... or, neither ... nor, not only, but also. So, if there are two clauses and these conjunctions and, but, or, nor, either, or, neither, not only, but also, then it is a compound sentence. So, now we can know that we can identify different kinds of sentences according to their structures. Now I want to discuss the rules with examples. Complex. He brought bad luck for us. Since he killed the bird, he brought bad luck. Here are two clauses. Since he killed the bird, it is a subordinate clause, and he brought bad luck for us. This is a main clause. Simple. Killing the bird. He brought bad luck for us. If the sentence has the same subject, if the sentence has the same subject, he same subject, and two principal verb, then we have to do it present participle. So by doing present participle, we can make it simple. And compound, he killed the bird and brought bad luck for us. Brought bad luck for us. So since present participle and so then in complex sentence since, in simple sentence present participle, and in a compound sentence and. Thus we can make these sentences transform from one form to another. Rule 2. Since the water was very salty, we could not drink it. We could not drink it. So here the present participle form will be here. The water being very salty, we could not drink it. We could not drink it. Compound. The water was very salty, and we could not drink it. So here the subjects are different. So when the subjects will be different, the present participle will be here. The water being very salty, we could not drink it, and will be used in the compound sentence. Thus we can transform these sentences from one form to another. Though he has though he has much money, he does not help the poor. Help the poor. Though, although, meaning যদিও। In spite of, his having much money, he does not help the poor. In spite of, সত্ত্বেও, compound. He has much money, but he does not help the poor. But, so then in the complex sentence, though or although. In the simple sentence, in spite of or despite. In compound sentence, but will be used. So, thus we can transform these structures. এটা 4 হয়ে যাবে। Rule 4. As he was ill, he could not go to school. So, when this clause will indicate the cause, then because will be used in the simple sentence, because of his being ill, he could not go to school. Because of, in the simple sentence. In the compound sentence, he was ill and so he could not go to school. In the simple sentence, complex sentence since or as. In the simple sentence, because of, and in the compound sentence, and so. So, thus we have to transform these structures. Rule 5. Complex sentences started with if. As a if you work hard, you will prosper in life. So, by plus gerund, by working hard, you will prosper in life. Work hard and you will prosper in life. If in the complex sentence, by plus gerund in the simple sentence, and will be used in the compound sentence. So, thus we can transform these sentences from one form to another. Actually, we have to remember that when the complex sentence will be affirmative and started with if, then by plus gerund will be used and will be used in the middle of the sentence. But if the sentence negative, then without plus gerund will be used and here or will be used. Rule 6. If you do not work hard, you will not prosper in life. Without plus gerund, without working hard, you will not prosper in life. Prosper in life. Work hard, or you will not prosper in life. If in the complex sentence and the sentence is negative, without plus gerund in the simple sentence and or will be used in the compound sentence. So, thus we can transform these kinds of structures from one form to another. Rule 7. He reads attentively so that he can pass in the exam. He can pass in the exam. So that in the complex sentence, in the simple sentence, he reads attentively to pass in the exam. Pass in the exam. To infinitive will be used here. And compound sentence. He wanted to pass in the exam. To pass in the exam. He wanted to pass in the exam and so he reads attentively. Reads attentively. He reads attentively so that he can pass in the exam. He reads attentively to pass in the exam. He wanted to pass in the exam and so he reads attentively. So that in the actually he wants to pass in the exam, and so he reads attentively. Actually, when present tense, all tenses will be in the present, and when if the tense in the past tense, all the tenses will be in the past tense. Rule 8, so dot dot that. He was so weak that he could not walk. He was too weak to walk. 2 dot dot 2. He was very weak. He was very weak and he could not walk. So, here the so dot dot that, 2 dot dot 2 and will be used in the middle of the sentence in the compound sentence. So, thus we can transform these sentences from one form to another. Complex sentences with that clauses. It is certain that he will come. Then here the change will be done. The certainly he will come. He will come. And in the compound sentence, he will come and it is certain. So, here this is a that clause and. So, thus we can see the different kinds of structures. So, it is certain that he will come. That he will come is a that clause, and the change is done in the in this form. Certainly he will come, and he will come, and it is certain. The and is used. That is, it is a compound sentences. Thus, we can transform these sentences from one form to another if the students follow these rules and examples. As I hope they will remember and understand the rules and these items. Thank you very much.